All right. We're just gonna dig whatever. We're gonna dig it all. We're gonna dig everything. They just cut the grass in this field recently, so I figured I'd get over here before it gets long again. We're getting so much rain. It's all sandy here. What's up, Steve? Just found a spoon. What we got here? Oh, look at, what is that right there? Suspender clip. Something right here. Let me get the, right here, guys, look at. I don't know what that is. Let's see. It's an old buckle. Look at. Cool, man. I seen the back right here. And the stuff comes out of the ground nice here. I wouldn't say it's too old. Look, it had something else on the front here, soldered on. All right, cool.